Introducing the 2014 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.